Hi, this is a video overview of registration on DigitalOcean platform that we usually recommend. So there are multiple cloud providers like I guess you've heard about Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud Platform. These are very reliable and very powerful cloud platforms that are usually pretty expensive also. And they are created for enterprises. They have a lot of security features. They have a lot of compliance features that may not necessarily be required for every startup that is doing an MVP, and thus, but every startup will still be charged by these platforms for all the features that they include. So we ourselves are hosting our services, internal services on DigitalOcean, and we recommend them. So if you'll follow the link that we'll send you, you'll get 200 bucks credit, and you will be able to use it so right away. So you can register in DigitalOcean with your Google account. This is what I will do now. I will click and I will select this Google account to enroll into DigitalOcean. Yeah, you can select something basic here, like software company. Yeah, let me select something. Submit. Now you would need to add your credit card. So let me add a credit card. Yep. So after I've input my credit card information, I'll land on the page similar to this one, just maybe will not have the default project at first. So I would need to go either create a new project, which again is pretty simple. You just create a name, purpose, and that's basically it. Or else I would need to go to the settings, and in settings we would need to invite a new member. So you have something called team. By default, this is called my new team or something like that. The first thing I ask you is to edit this info to your name of your company, and then add the here in invite member, the dev at pragmatic DLT, this member, and invite them. That's basically it. You should be all set. By default, this person will be a member. When they will join, we will ask you to change their permissions to owner also, because we would need to set everything up. We would need to create the app platform, maybe some droplets and things like that. So a bunch of resources, and connect GitHub to the app platform. So we will be able to basically install the app straight from code automatically. So in order for us to do this, we would need to be the owner type of permissions. And unfortunately, you cannot do it straight away. So you would need to come back to it as soon as we will join with this account. You would need to come back to the settings, and in settings, click here, change the user role, change it to owner temporarily, and then when we will finish, you can degrade the role to the member, or you can delete this user at all. That's basically it. You need to create the project, the billing you are doing during the onboarding, and then I will ask you to change the team name, and then you would need to add the member through invite member, and after we will join, come back here and change the role. That's basically it. Thank you. This is the, I hope it was useful.